Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a new board on monday.com. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your monday.com web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on monday.com? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type monday.com, and that's going to take you to the official website. Once you get in there, follow through with the on-screen prompts to either create a new account or sign in using an existing account. Now, once you're done logging in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in monday.com. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to create a new board on monday.com. From this homepage, you're gonna have to head over to the left corner of your screen. Here we have main workspace, you have my first project, and you have single marketing project. You're gonna see this plus icon that says add item to your workspace. So go ahead and click on the plus icon, and once you do that, you're gonna find an extended menu, work management, board, and down to template center. Go ahead and click on board. Now once you click on board, you're gonna have to add your new board name. Let's say project board. Now you can choose to make it tweak the privacy setting to main or to private or to shareable. So let's go ahead and click on shareable, because we want to be able to invite guests on this particular board. So select what you're managing in this board. Let's say items, budgets, campaigns, projects. Okay, let's say items, leads, creative tags, and what have you. Go ahead and click on that, or you can even add a custom feature. Now go ahead and click on create board. And once you click on create board, you're going to get the banner that says your board has been created. All right, so welcome to your first review board. Okay, got it. Thank you so much, monday.com, for being this nice. So you can head over to the left corner of your screen, and you're going to see that board there that says project board. Now you can add more items on this board. You can add a view, you can integrate, you can automate, you can even add people, you can add more columns, and you can add more items depending on what you want. You can even scroll the way down to add a new group. Aside from these groups here, you can even click on any group title to edit the title, just to ensure that you have exactly what you want in this board. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can create a board on monday.com. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.